Hi everyone, welcome back to another amazing recipe, and today we will see a healthy fish recipe and a zero oil steamed fish cabbage rolls, and is also a keto friendly recipe. And friends, this steamed fish cabbage rolls are not just flavorsome but are incredibly healthy and great to include in your weight loss diet plan. So let's get started with the recipe. So for this recipe, I'll be using a Basa fillet, but you can use any other fish fillet of your choice. First, we'll cut the fillet lengthwise in the middle, dividing in two parts. And now we'll cut the fish fillet into medium portions like this. So my boneless fish pieces are ready, and now I will season them with some salt and black pepper as per taste. And finally the juice of half a lime. We will now rub all the ingredients well on both the sides of the fish pieces. And we will let them rest for about 15 to 20 minutes. Next, here I have taken our cabbage. First we will cut the end portion and then gently separate the layers of the cabbage as per the number of fish pieces you are making. And now we need to slightly boil the cabbage leaves so it's easier to wrap and make rolls. For that, I've heated sufficient water in a vessel into which I will add a teaspoon of salt. And as the water starts to boil, we will add the cabbage leaves one by one. And we will boil them for just 1 to 2 minutes until the leaves are soft enough. And by now our cabbage leaves are done, so I will take them off and rinse them in cold water. Next, we'll prepare a spicy green chutney or paste. For that, we'll take a mixer jar and into it we will add some cilantro or coriander leaves. We'll also include the soft stems as they have got so much flavors in them. Then goes 2 green chillies or as per your spice level. Next, I will add 3 large garlic pods, which I will slice them into half. Also, I'm going to add ½ inch of ginger, the juice of half a lime if it's slightly bigger in size. Otherwise, you can add 1 small lime. For seasoning, we'll add some salt as per taste, and now we need to grind this into a smooth paste. If required, you can add a little water. Let's check this now. And our spicy green chutney or paste is ready. And now we shall start making the fish cabbage rolls. First, we will add a teaspoon of the spicy green chutney or sauce which we had prepared. I'll cut this thick portion of the cabbage leaf. Next, we'll place the seasoned fish on top of the spicy lemon coriander sauce. We'll cover the fish piece with the sauce, and now we need to wrap the cabbage leaf as shown in the video. And in this way we need to fold the cabbage leaf to make rolls. And in the same way I'll prepare the remaining cabbage rolls. And as you can see, I have wrapped all my fish cabbage rolls, and now I'm going to steam them. I've already preheated my electric steamer. And here goes the container with our keto friendly fish cabbage rolls. We'll close the lid and we'll steam them for 15 minutes. It's 15 minutes now and our steamed fish cabbage rolls are ready. We'll allow this to cool down slightly before taking the container out. And now our steamed fish cabbage rolls are ready to be served. You can enjoy this flavorful lemon coriander fish broth or stock as soup. And now I'm going to cut one cabbage roll and show the steamed fish inside. So the fish is steamed well, very soft and juicy, infused with lemon coriander flavor which tastes amazing. So friends, I hope you'll try this zero oil, healthy and keto friendly steamed fish cabbage rolls and include in your healthy diet plan. Also, I would love to hear your feedbacks, and you can check out my other healthy and keto friendly recipes. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and happy cooking everyone.